Hello, YouTubers. I'm doing a review on the S107G helicopter. Well, let's just get to it. We got the remote control, USB, and most importantly, the helicopter. You're gonna need this if you ever want to fly a helicopter, a remote control helicopter, because you can't do it without a helicopter. So, yeah. Okay. Here's the remote control. Yeah, it can go up and down, and the turn one is a 360 spin. So 360 spin is awesome. So I like it. Pretty awesome. That's 3 channels. You can turn it off and on. Well, of course you need that. Okay, all right. Here we got the USB right here. Well, it's not just a USB, it's a charger. It goes into your helicopter, you plug it in, and you plug it, the USB goes into the computer, well, of course, it's a USB. Yeah. When I got this helicopter, they said to let it, die out, like, let it fly around and let it die out, because, you have to charge it, and, they said to let it die out, and then plug it in for 15 minutes or less, because you don't want to go over 15 minutes because it'll mess up the battery, and the battery will get jacked up and stuff. So yeah. And finally, we got the helicopter. Okay. Well, it's pretty cool, pretty high tech. I like it because it's pretty different. Charge it in right here. Here. And then it has a light, so when you fly it around, or when you turn it on, the light goes on, and it's in the front. Well, I'll show it to you. Okay, here we go. Paint is red and blue. You can get this in yellow, blue, and red, but that's all I saw. So you might can get it in different colors. I don't know. You can just comment below. And again, I'll tell you the title. The title is S107G, and it's in the metal series. So it says 14 and up, but I don't really care. So yeah. Alright, well, have a nice day. Oh yeah, I do recommend this. It's like really good. You can probably find it online. I got mine for $45. Comes with all this for $45 with the combo. And well, have a nice day. Thanks for watching.